Hi, to disable Wallpaper Carousel on your Poco X7 Pro, as a first step, let me show you how it works. So, Wallpaper Carousel is basically a feature which allows you to change your lock screen wallpaper each time you are locking your phone. So as you can see, I'm pressing my power button and my wallpaper changes according to that. So each time I'm locking my phone and unlocking, I get new wallpaper. If you want to disable it, you can just open settings on your phone. Here, find this personalization tab, and after that, find wallpaper carousel, and here simply tap on this switcher to disable it. And now let's try this out. I'm gonna lock my phone, unlock, and let's try this out one more time. So yep, now I got only one wallpaper here. So we just disabled auto wallpaper change. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.